Alright guys, this is Kurt's Culinary. Today we're gonna do cheese quesadillas. Turn the heat up on about 6-7. Get your flour tortilla, get the bigger size like the burritos. Alright. Spray some Pam spray. Put that in there. This works, it's just a healthier option. Get you some cheese. Just kind of layer it in here. Don't need too much is bad. It's not gonna cook right. It's gonna have a whole lot of unmelted cheese in there. These are quick, easy, and cheesy. If you need a quick snack for lunch or something like that, always works out pretty good. Okay, got your skillet. Alright, gonna need, I just use a pizza cutter. Cut it in half when it's done. Spatula, so you can flip it. Alright, let that cook for a little while. Turn the heat up a little bit. I usually start with a cooler pan and let it get hot. These have a tendency to burn pretty easy, so you don't want to overdo your heat too much. You'll burn it real quick. But I can hear it kicking now. We're getting some action. So just wait a little bit longer. You can see the cheese is starting to melt a little bit. Shake it around just a little bit, make sure it don't stick. If any cheese got down in there. Okay. So we're doing all right now. Flip it around like that. Take this little guy right here, slide it, flip it. Okay. And spray it just a little bit. There we go. You let it cook on one side for a little bit till it's nice and golden brown. And do the same thing to the other side. Alright. That's pretty close right there, but we want it just a little darker. These are, kids love them, most people like them. It's really quick, really easy. Come home from work, If you got some tortillas and some cheese and sour cream, avocado, you know, you can stick a lot of things in there if you want, or you can just do cheese quesadilla. Pretty quick, pretty simple. A lot better than going up to McDonald's or Burger King or whatever. So, alright, we're gonna check this other side. Oh yeah, see that? That's what we want right there. See, nice golden brown, not burnt. I'll open this up and show you guys. It's gonna be real hot, so don't do this. Try not to. Ooh, see that? Ow! Yeah. Nice and cheesy in the middle. Alright. Let's flip this other side. Yeah. Now, ooh, we are good to go. Alright. This cheese quesadilla is done. Swing it over. Set it there. Let it cool for just a little bit. I usually just take these, one little cut, put it on a plate like so. And there you go. Cheese quesadilla. Quick, easy, and cheesy. See ya.